Welcome to part 12, and today I want to discuss briefly on the risks of pessimism. Why is it bad to be a pessimist? Why is it bad? One, it will lead to high rates of depression. The propensity to depression is higher to pessimism. Secondly, it's also going to lead to anxiety disorders. Thirdly, it's also going to lead to low self-esteem. Because of this negativity, you also value yourself negatively in terms of the social skill or whatever, the way you are comparing yourself with the other members of the society, you rank yourself lower on the scale. So you have low self-esteem. Every time you think people are undermining you, they don't appreciate you, they think you are failure, they think you are not working very hard. Then fourthly is worry. Pessimists, they are full of worries because of the negative attitude to life. Number 5, it has also, pessimism has got negative health effects. The heart diseases and the overall mortality is very high on pessimists based on certain findings. They also have got fewer coping skills. What do I mean? They don't have tolerance level. There is lower resilience. They don't have patience to this life. Pessimists also have got lower social support because they create a lot of conflict with people. It is time for them to make friends. So they get less social support. They are also isolated. They live very lonely lives because of that attitude of pessimism. Greater conflict colliding with the people because of their negative attitude, because always they are on the negative end of things. Finally, there is the negative general outlook to life. They say there is no hope for the future. And so what am I saying? These are all risks of the pessimism. And if these aspects, after careful examination, please, it's important to see a therapist so that you can undergo through counseling. Thank you very much. It's Mutea Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I'm happy. I appreciate you, your great support to the channel, A Moment with Rukwaru. In case of any comments and suggestions, please leave your comments on the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.